בתקופה של האינתיפאדה, השתמשתי עם אריק, עם נטע גולני.
A policeman, he crossed the checkpoint at Za'at Tapuach, not far from here. And the soldier looked at his papers, took his papers, called the police, and the policeman said, "Oh, you can't drive because you are forbidden from driving." Took his license. This person, this policeman took his license, say you are not allowed to drive. I have a letter from you that I don't care. The policeman say, and he took his driving license, and now he can't work. That's what he told us.
לא, השני, אחורי, אחורה. אחורה.
Kind of punishment to the people of this village. I don't